me this morning. I was like, I feel like there's gonna be an alarm, but I felt like it was during fifth period.
All your fault.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not. Like, I was talking to Mr. McWilliams at the fire alarm went off. At lunch, the fire alarm went off.
Left your mouth. He said something during what, lunch?
Remember Gabby?
Oh no, yeah, Gabby said
You
it.
said something too?
No, like, I was talking to Mr. McWilliams that at lunchtime when it was cold outside, at lunch.
They're underneath.
I'm gonna take my water because who knows how long this is gonna be. But like as I was telling,
It's like a weighted blanket, so it only goes around like that.
You don't want.
like I was talking, I was like, I don't want it to happen where because we were at lunch and the fire alarm went off and it happened again. I didn't say anything, but I don't know how. Oops. I think they stopped. Somebody's checking the restroom. I don't know if we're gonna go. Alright, well, we're still going outside. And like the fire alarm's not going off. Alright, check this out. See that fire alarm? System is silenced, but there's also a trouble. But I'm sure they'll fix this.